Hi everyone, welcome to Nichal Physio channel. I am Dr. Nichal Kumar. In this video, I'll talk about women's health courses for physiotherapy students as well as physiotherapists. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon so you will not miss any of our future updates. So let's get started. The first website offering free pelvic rehabilitation course is Embody Academy. You can go to the website which I have given in the link description below. Open online course catalog and you can see multiple courses in this particular website. So in this particular video I have opted only for health, particularly to pelvic health. If you want, you can explore their courses further on. So click on pelvic health and you can see there are multiple courses which will come, which are of two types. One is paid, other one is free. So you can choose particular courses based on your availability. Either you can pay them and opt for the course, or you can take a free course. So the free courses, when you are trying to open, just press 0 and 0 in their minimum and maximum price and you will be getting lots of free courses. The free courses which they are offering in the website are seen now. So they are particularly to telerehabilitation, K-taping to women's health, and Embodia for home exercise program and prescription to women, and pelvic floor dysfunction. So you can opt these courses and you can avail certification. The next website is Coursera. The link is in the description below. Coursera has multiple courses and they have guided projects and certification also. So you can opt for women's health courses. There are few women's health courses which Coursera is offering. One is International Women's Health Course and Childbirth, a Global Perspective, Nutrition and Lifestyle in Pregnancy, and Introduction to Breast Cancer. There are different types of women's health courses in this particular website. You can go to the website, you have to log in, and then you have to create their modules and complete their modules on time along with the quiz. So you'll get a certification there. Coming to the other website, it is coreexercisesolution.com. The link is in the description below. So this particular website has articles, programs and free resources. So you can either choose articles or you can opt for programs. You can see professional CU programs and programs for women, and you have free resources. So you can go to the website and you can log in and you can avail these particular certification courses and choose any of the course which you are interested in. The next website is MOOC list. The link is in the description below. You can go to the website, and in case if you want to enroll for future courses, you can opt for email notifications where they'll send you if there is any new course coming up in future. So you can go to the website and enroll for the courses, and you can do these courses and get certification from them. The other website is mypteducation.com. Link is in the description below. This particular website is for education of professionals and the public. So you can sign up and you can log into the website. So if you go to enroll now, you will have a lot of courses to enroll. So there are few courses which they are offering: Bulletproof Your Body, pelvic floor rehabilitation and core, and there are other courses you can see in their website. Please log into the website and see for further courses, and the details are available in their website. If you like this video, please like and share this with your friends and subscribe to our channel for future notifications and updates. Stay safe and take care.